In this quick tutorial I will show you how to get from Exodar, from Azuremyst Islands, straight to Stormwind. So I'm located right now in the front of Exodar and we'll have to get right here on this dock. And I will show you how to get from here all the way to Stormwind. I'll show you on the map right now in the Eastern Kingdoms, in Elwyn Forest, in Stormwind, and we'll arrive right here, but we'll have to take two boats for that, and the first boat you will have to get from here. And we are playing World of Wacraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoW WoTLK. So I'll get back to you once this boat will arrive. Okay, there is the boat, let's get aboard this, and this boat will take us to Darkshore, right here on the map in Kalimdor, and from here we'll have to take a different boat from Stormwind. I'll get back to you once we'll arrive in Darkshore. Okay, and we arrive right now in Darkshore. Now let's get fast to catch that boat, because that boat will take us to Stormwind City. So from that boat, which take us to Darkshore, turn right and you will have to get aboard this one. It's a different color and you can't miss that. So that being said, I will get back to you once I will arrive in Stormwind City. Alright, and we just arrived right now in Stormwind City. So we started our journey from right here in Azuremyst Islands, in Exodar, and right now we are located in Stormwind, in Elwyn Forest right here. So I hope this tutorial helped you out to know how to get from Exodar to Stormwind, from Azuremyst Islands to Stormwind. A comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.